Today, I want to talk to you about the happiness quotient. It's a really important play that we have to use in our testimonial videos during times like these. As we all know, the pandemic has literally raged on and shut down businesses and done all sorts of damage, and people are frustrated, they're angry, they're at wit's end. The great news is people are going back to the gyms and they're starting to feel a lot better. And so that means when we're collecting testimonial videos, we have to capture all of that. In previous videos, we spoke about how to get members to talk about how safe they feel, also to look for first responders because that adds a level of authority. But there's a third element we want to look for when collecting testimonials right now, and that is the happiness quotient. When you see members who are walking around constantly smiling, constantly talking, and you can tell they are just relieved and happy to be back at the gym, to be back in some sort of semblance of normalcy, those are the people that you're going to want to look for, because that is a key element to helping relieve a lot of the stress for people who are out there who are not living in some sort of normal lifestyle. So look for that happiness, look for that energy, and look for that vibe that has that feeling, and then focus on getting those people on camera to do your testimonial videos. Today, we are going to talk about what I like to think of as not the right thing. Today, fuck you. I love it when the landscapers decide to actually do their work right as I'm about to record. Love them. So many things out there with... They're having a party. Literally talking right now. They're literally having a party. Happiness quotient.